Living and non-living things, what's the difference? Have you ever wondered what makes a bird alive but a chair not? Living things move, grow, and even change. They need air, water, and food to survive. Plants, animals, and even tiny microbes are living things working hard every day to stay alive. Now, let's look at non-living things. These are things like rocks, books, and toys. They don't grow or need energy. They can't breathe or move on their own. While they're lifeless, they still play important roles in our world. Can you find examples of both around you? Here's a fun way to remember. If it eats, grows, or breathes, it's a living thing. If it doesn't, like a pencil or a ball, it's non-living. Next time you're outside, try observing plants, animals, and objects to decide which is which. Keep exploring. What new things will you notice about our incredible world? Share your discoveries with friends or in class. With everything you see, ask yourself, is it living or non-living? Observing and questioning brings science to life. Start your adventure today.